how to connect a DVD player to Roku TV. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, there is a 7 steps inside this process from which you can connect a DVD player to Roku TV. First thing first, just check your DVD player's output ports. Look for any HDMI or RCA ports on the back of your DVD player. And after that, in the second step, you just have to find the correct input on your Roku TV. You need to locate HDMI or AV, which is also known as RCA input ports, on your Roku TV. And third step, use the right cable. Plug an HDMI cable into the HDMI port or RCA cables into the matching AV ports of your DVD player. And in the fourth step, you just make sure you need to attach the other end of the cable to the corresponding input port of the Roku TV. And you just need to turn on both the devices by simply clicking on the power on your DVD player and Roku TV. And the sixth step is you just need to select the input source on Roku TV. That is, use your Roku remote to go to the home and select the input source. That is example HDMI 1 or AV. It will be shown on your TV screen. And after that, the last step is you just need to test the connection. Insert a DVD, press play, and ensure the video and audio works on your Roku TV. So that's exactly how you can connect a DVD player to Roku TV. Hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.